Cleveland.
Oh, my Stanley didn't come. I'm going to start my new life in Cleveland, but I just thought he'd show up.
All aboard! All aboard!
Goodbye, Denver.
Delilah!
Stanley? You came!
Delilah, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I'm such an idiot. I never should have taken you for granted.
Oh, Stanley.
And I never would have forgiven myself if I didn't get the chance to tell you. I love you!
Oh, Stanley, I love you too.
Delilah! Delilah!
Yes?
I love you! Delilah, do you know this man?
No.
No, not you, my Delilah! Delilah Hastings!
Anthony, is that you?
Oh, Delilah, I love you!
Oh, Anthony, I love you too.
Looks like we're just two fellas in love with our Delilahs. Delilah!
Yes?
I love you!
Oh, Anthony, I love you too.
Delilah!
Yes?
No, not you, Delilah's. Delilah Mormon!
Somebody call me. Is that you?
Oh, Delilah, I love you.
I love you, Robert.
You know, I'm sort of doing a thing here. Whoa!
Yes?
No, not you, my Delilah, Delilah Camden.
Did somebody call me?
Yes, I love you, Delilah.
Oh, Nathaniel, I love you too.
Wait, aren't you the conductor? Yes, but I'm in love. Shut up. I was there first, so let me talk. Oh, Delilah.
Yes?
No, my Delilah, Delilah Freeman. I have a question to ask you.
I think we all have questions for our Delilahs. Delilah!
Yes?
I love you!
Oh, Anthony, I love you too.
Delilah!
Oh my God! Oh my God! What are you doing?
You're the most amazing, beautiful, unique woman in the world!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Is this really happening?
Delilah! Will you marry me?
Yes! Yes! 1,000 times yes!
Let me put this ring on your finger! Ring on the finger.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
I love you! Oh no! Delilah!
Yes!
The platform's about to end! Goodbye, Delilah! I'll see
So we're all lesbians, right?